Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will show you the EMI options in continuation to previous Excel video of PMT function, and I have already shown the PMT PPMT IPMT. The formulas are PMT is the rate divided by 12 and the cell reference of year by into multiply by 12 and present value principal amount. This is PMT function. And for PPMT and IPMT, both the formulas are same, but here is P is used for PPMT and I is used for IPMT. And PPMT, this is that and number installment is written as 1, and next is the number of total number of installment and present value, and enter. So this is a PPMT and this is a PMT. And I also mentioned that PPMT plus IPMT equals PMT. So now today I want to show the using absolute reference of PPMT, PPMT, PMT and IPMT, and for the schedule for the total 60 installments, or if it is the period is changed, the number of installment will be changed, and the total installment can be calculated using absolute reference of Excel. This is by F4, pressing on the formula, and I will show you it now. This is the first step is to number 1 to 60 the number of installments. If this is the year of 5 years, then total installments will be 60 months, so installment will be 1 2 3 4 etc. So I have created the cell for 60 installment here, and now the formula for PMT is here, and I will fix the values, and the reference will be given according to this formula. So I will first pass it to PPMT, and for PPMT I have a little modification of this, because number 1 is replaced by A10, the cell reference, to use absolute references for all the formula items. Here how the absolute reference is applied here, you see, and place the cursor on the cell reference, suppose B5, then B5 by 12, then place F4. F4 will create the dollar symbols with this alongside with this cell reference. And similarly for B6, this is the B6, and here I will also put F4, the cell reference, and for B4 I will also put F4, and now double click on this plus sign of the formula carriers. It will calculate the total values. Sorry, I have to place once, enter. I try it here. Yes, now it is working, and due to this I have seen that I have place it the formula carriers bar, and double click, and the total EMI will calculate it up to 60 installment here. So next is similar thing for the IPMT. For the PPMT, same thing is done by me. Yes, absolute reference is here for PMT, and absolute reference for these values and these values. And for IPMT also, I should replace 1 by A10, and other things are same. press F4, press F4, press F4 to fix these values as reference, and double click on this careers. So I think there is a little problem, that is I should not absolute apply absolute to A10, the installment number, because it is not carrying, already it was applied for this. Hence it is done for this PMT, PPMT and IPMT, and I think you should do once at your own to do your own practice. Thank you guys, and lastly I may take the sum of this to sum, and I should not include the value. Yes, okay, it is okay, enter, press, the total value should come here. So that is all. Thank you.